Switchgears by ESA Grimma GmbH ensure reliable power distribution worldwide in all kinds of fields, including industry, infrastructure, and countless different buildings, such as power plants, hospitals, data centers, and many more. Of particular note here is the type-tested low-voltage GaN-S 5.1 switch combination for currents up to 6300 amps. The system's modular structure enables manifold combinations of various field types and is distinguished by optimum system reliability and operator safety, thanks to additional internal partitions. The integratable motor control centers are also a perfect solution in cases where faults need to be remedied as quickly as possible without disrupting operations. And the type-tested, air-insulated metal partitioned GAMS medium-voltage switchgear can similarly be used for many different purposes while guaranteeing top quality. As a certified system partner of Siemens, ABB, and Striebel John, systems such as the Siemens SIVACON and ABB's FourLine are just as much part of ESA's production range as its own switchgears. ESA Grimma GmbH is also a partner you can count on when it comes to industrial control systems. From designing and project planning, to production, to system delivery and maintenance, customers are offered comprehensive service that is both reliable and of high quality.